In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grab image text with Google Keep in just 5 minutes. Whether you're working on a project or just want to organize your notes, Google Keep offers a simple solution for extracting text from images. So let's dive in and make this process easy and efficient. First, you want to navigate to Google Apps. You can do this by opening your web browser and signing into your Google account if you haven't already. You'll find the Google Apps icon, usually represented by a grid or a series of dots. Click on this icon to open a menu with all the apps that Google offers. Among these apps, locate Google Keep. You might need to scroll a bit if you have many apps, but it should be there. Once you've found Google Keep, click on it to open the application. This will take you directly into your Google Keep account where you can start organizing your notes. Now that you're inside Google Keep, you'll want to create a new note to work with. Click on the option that says Take a Note. This begins a new note where you'll add the image containing text you want to extract. Before we add the image, let's label our note, which is always a good habit for staying organized. Type in a relevant title for your note, something that accurately describes the content you'll be extracting from the image. Now you need to upload your image. Click on the Add Image option. This action will prompt you to select an image from your computer, browse your files and choose the image that contains the text you want to grab. With your image now open in Google Keep, you will see the More Options menu represented by 3 vertical dots. Click this icon to see additional tools. One of these tools is Grab Image Text. Select this option and Google Keep will automatically start processing your image. It's using optical character recognition technology, which is really quite impressive, to extract the text for you. As soon as the text has been extracted from your image, you will see it appear in your note underneath the image. It's that simple. Now you have the text easily accessible and editable right within Google Keep. When you're satisfied and you've completed any necessary adjustments or additions, click Close to save your note. That's it. You've successfully grabbed text from an image using Google Keep. Remember, this feature is incredibly useful for saving time and ensuring accuracy